Bitcoin has finally been seeing this first push towards the upside after breaking out towards the upside outside of this falling wedge. Right now, finally seeing a bounce from of this level of support and at the same time breaking key market structure, because right now we are trying to be breaking above our downtrend. So right now will be the time to be paying attention in the market. Right now it is about to happen. So we need to be talking about that exactly. So make sure to push up that like button. Can we once again smash it back above the 110 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And actually, first of all, I actually can't seem to get my microphone to work. So that is why the quality is a little bit lower right now. But anyways, it is happening for Bitcoin right now because we are getting major breakouts towards the upside. We have been talking about the fact that we are probably going to be getting supported by this level of support over here. And also we have been talking about the fact that that Bitcoin bottom is nearing very near right now. Having a look into what's the Bitcoin funding rates, it is all pointing towards the fact that that Bitcoin bottom is coming in very near. We have been having a look into what's this fact. And right now, finally in the short term, we are getting our initial bounce. But I think that we are going to be pushing even higher because of this bounce we are getting right now. Of course, we have been having a look into what's this 4-hourly bullish divergence, which has right now kind of been playing out towards the upside. I do think that we can be seeing a little bit more momentum towards the upside because at the same time, we are also breaking out outside of this falling wedge structure. We are getting our initial bounce. And also, what is very important is that we are breaking our downtrend on that 4-hourly time frame. You could be arguing that this is just a higher low over here and that we have set another higher high. Also at the same time, we are breaking above this trend line. So yes, indeed, you can be arguing that on the 4-hourly time frame, we are getting signals of a reversal right now. So yes, the imminent short term is looking absolutely bright. Now, one thing that I will have to say is that, of course, tomorrow we are going to be trading inside of a weekend, so probably volatility is going to be lower again. Be careful if you are going to be getting interested in trading during this weekend. But what is going to be very important for the Bitcoin market right now is that we are actually seeing this larger consolidation. We are seeing this range being developed after breaking towards the upside. But actually during this range, we are actually waiting for that next push towards the upside. And I do think it is going to be getting towards the upside because having a look into what's the Bitcoin funding rates, well, these have been massively decreasing during this range. Like you can be seeing, Bitcoin has been consolidating, but the Bitcoin funding rates have been decreasing a lot. And right now, it's been flipping negative, which is the perfect buying opportunity, like I've been talking about many times in a past bull market. Whenever we could be seeing this happening, whenever the Bitcoin funding rates were flipping negative or very close towards negative, well, it has always been a very good moment to buy. So right now that moment is happening. The majority of the Bitcoin traders are panicking. They are opening up sell positions, which is generally actually the time you want to be buying, because whenever the majority is selling, that should be the moment where you should be actually buying. So yeah, this is going to be a very strong bottoming indicator right now. And also in the short term, we are breaking bullish in my opinion. So it is definitely looking bright. Also having a look into the liquidity. Well, on that monthly time frame, we can definitely be seeing that the majority of the liquidity is most definitely trading on that upside. And Bitcoin usually does tend to go towards where the majority of the liquidity is actually sitting at. Right now it's sitting at the top side. So most likely, I do think that we are going to be getting that next push towards the upside to be actually grabbing that liquidity. Now, like I already said, do be aware that we are going to be trading in a weekend tomorrow. That will be very important to keep in mind. Now, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself, make sure to check out that link down below because you can right now be claiming this $2,000 trade over on Bybit. On top of that, you are going to be eligible for this $40,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to check it out with that first link down below. Sign up using that link, and then you can be taking advantage of this free money. Literally going to be free money, which you can be deploying in towards the market. Literally, there's going to be no risk involved when you're going to be claiming this position. But anyways, yes, I've been talking about the fact that I do not think that we are going to be seeing a larger correction, and I do not think that we are going to be coming down below that 59k level. And look exactly what level we have hit over here. Of course, this has been that minus 20% correction that generally is that average correction during this Bitcoin bull market. So yeah, we have exactly gotten this minus 20% correction right now. We are looking to be bouncing in the short term, which is looking very good. Now, once again, I do not think that we are going to be seeing a greater correction than this minus 20% correction. Now, what I do think could be happening is still a little bit of a liquidity grab down below these levels of support over here. In that case, it would still be very bullish, and just taking out that liquidity is definitely a very healthy development in the market. But while I do not think that we are going to be seeing any kind of a larger correction down below to these levels over here, I do not think it's going to be very likely. But anyways, what is going to be very important is that the Bitcoin halving is today, or at least within the coming 24 hours. It is going to be incoming in 15 hours. So congratulations. I'm very excited about the Bitcoin halving. We have finally made it. I still remember like a year ago, I was literally saying every single day, look guys, the Bitcoin halving is going to be incoming in about a year. So right now is going to be the time to be accumulating your Bitcoin. Right now is going to be the time to be preparing yourself. And right now, well, it is going to be incoming in 15 hours. So I'm very excited about the Bitcoin halving right now. And yes, still, right now is not going to be the time to be getting shaken out, because I think that something like this is going to be next. Right now is not going to be the time to be shaken out. There's much more to come, and you should not be getting fooled by this small little correction which we are seeing right now. But of course, for my followers, it is all already pretty obvious what is going to be happening next. Anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.